Okay guys, this is the Nintendo Switch Lite. So, just when you thought I'd finished with consoles for the year, here comes another one. So as you can see, this is the grey model in all of its glory, right there. It's a fairly decent size here, so let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, just open it up, and you can see right here we've got a need help, a support line, as well as what the power cable does. Now let's actually take it out of the box. Here we go. It's a bit hard to take out apparently, come on. There we go. Alright, here we go, and the first thing we see on top there is the grey Nintendo Switch Lite. Now, I have to be honest with you, this is the first Nintendo Switch I've ever had to look at. I haven't looked at a Nintendo since Nintendo 64. So let's have a look and see what this one has to bring. So this is my first Switch, obviously. So there it is in all of its glory. The Nintendo Switch in a very, very dark grey, almost borderline black. So let's take a look. It actually looks a lot better in person, without a shadow of a doubt. Like, it is a lot smaller than this camera is actually showing. So, let's take a look at the back here. So, it says Nintendo Switch at the back there. Looks like the speaker grills as well. The rear buttons. So, yeah, the screen is about a 5.5 inch, I think. Then we got our obvious D-pad and all that sort of stuff. But let's see what else is in the box. And if I can open her up, let's grab that, and here we go. So in the box we've got some documentation, as you can see right there, for the Nintendo Switch Lite in multiple different languages and warnings, and of course the power brick for the Australian standard. Now let's take a look at the Switch. Right, so I'm just going to set up the general network here. So I've just plugged it into charge as well. So I'm just going to set up the English and, well, the general setup, and we'll get right to it right after this. Alright, let's take a look at what the Vita looks like next to it. Right, so here's the PS Vita. As you can see, there's not a lot of difference in size here, so you can see obviously the screen is a tiny bit bigger on the actual Switch Lite, and you can see right here we've got our D-pad on the Vita, and you've got the D-pad on the Switch Lite. Now there's a lot of, that's actually pretty similar in size, I'll tell you that. If you've ever had the PS Vita, you'll know that D-pad is small. It's also quite small on the actual Switch Lite. So you can see right here with the Vita on top, it is quite bigger with those controls on the side there. It doesn't look like from glance, but it is definitely noticeable when you actually put these two side by side. Now if we bring it both up, you can see the thickness. So you can see that Switch Lite is a little bit thicker, not a lot thicker, but the Vita tends to taper to the end there to make it create the illusion it is thinner. But So that's what the Vita looks like pretty much, as you can see. We've got a micro USB, we've got our buttons, the cameras. But yeah, that's pretty much what the Vita looks like. So let's take a look at a few games. Right, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So this is part of the bundle for the Nintendo Switch Lite. As you can see right here, I decided to go for Mario Kart 8. I do have Zelda Breath of the Wild on the way, but at the moment the only thing that I have here is basically Mario Kart. It is my first ever Switch game for this particular console. As you can see right here, we've got all the controls. It's a multiplayer game, and it's your standard Mario Kart game. It's a brand new sealed copy, so let's crack her open and see what we got. Alright, let's open her up. So I've got obviously Mario Kart, and I've also got Zelda on the way. I may actually get other games down the track, but we'll see. I'm still in Vita collecting mode. I wasn't actually expecting to get this, but here we are, seeing this unboxing. So let's take a look at what we have in the box for Mario Kart 8. Now, if you're familiar with this particular Switch game, you'll see that this is a Region 4 one, and if we open her up, let's see, what do we got? And we've got nothing. So essentially they just leave one cartridge, and then there's that controller stuff on the back. So yeah, it's just literally that one cartridge. No booklet, nothing. So that's what we come to expect. And yeah, that's a Nintendo cartridge. It's a bit weird and thick. It's actually a little bit thicker than the Vita cartridges, but yeah, that's a bit weird. But anyway, so that's what a Nintendo Switch cartridge looks like. So that's Mario Kart. So I'm going to stick this into the actual console itself so we can see what this has to offer. So we've got our Switch Lite here in grey. Now I'm going to find the cartridge slot, which happens to be up top. So let's open her up and see what this thing does. Okay, it's a bit stiff, and let's hope that's going in the right way. Yes, I think this is the right way. That seems right. It clicked in, so that seems okay. Oh, it's instantaneously there. Awesome. So, I'm going to see what this does when I open it. Yep. Oh, wow. it literally just opens. It doesn't install stuff like it does on PlayStations or even on the Vita. It actually just opens. There was no updates or nothing. So, brilliant. So, here we go. Let's take a look at some gameplay. Alright, let's take a look at the very last thing of this bundle. It's the biggest thing. Yeah, the case and screen protector. So that is the official Nintendo Lite case, as you can see right there. So this is from Nintendo. So this is the official Nintendo case. Comes with a free screen protector. And yes, this is in the color of very light white or dark or very light grey in this case. So it's supposedly the one that's supposedly supposed to match the grey. But anyway, this is pretty much it. You can see we're back there. So it's a pouch. It also houses your games. And let's take a look and see what we have with this case to see what it's like. So this is obviously my first ever carry case from Nintendo. We start off with an instruction guide and also the case, and if I can get the screen protector out, we can also see that as well. So there it is. So here's the screen protector. As you can see right there, so the glass one is just a regular sticker one, and we have our instruction guide on how to apply that screen protector. Nice. So I'll put that to the side. Let's take a look at the main event. This is the Nintendo Switch carry case. So we're opening her up, and you can see right there, there's that Nintendo Switch logo right on the front there, as well as Nintendo Switch at the front. If we look at the back here, we've got Nintendo written at the back there. So now you know it's an actual Nintendo carry case. Let's open her up and see what's inside. And obviously you can see it's got a nice grey felt in there. It's got 8 cartridges you can put in there. You can also put some cables in there. And the Nintendo Switch, which is very snugly in there, as you can see right there. It's very snug when you put it in there. And you can see I've got my cartridge in there, the one. But when you'll see me zip this up, it gets really snug. Like, really snug. You'll think you actually might scratch it, but you won't, because it closes up quite neatly. So I'm just trying to, off camera, close it. Obviously this is the first time I did it, so we're all doing this in live action right now, so, you know, we're all professionals here. Alright, so here we go. So we've fully closed it up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It does compact it really well, as you can see. It makes it quite light. It's great to chuck in your bag, so that's pretty much it. So this is the entire bundle of the Nintendo Switch Lite. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers.